Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I am stoked you're here. Today we've got an unboxing of another knife that I was not expecting to add to the collection, but it became available. It's one I've wanted for a really long time, and I was stoked to grab it. First, I want to just do a quick shout out and thank you to the channel members. I appreciate y'all more than you know. And then to invite any of you, if you're coming through, thank you for watching the content. If you're so inclined, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, really help me out. So I'm going to use the Amazon razor knife to try to get into this. And we will see what we have got. Make sure I'm not doxing myself. All right, guys. We got a River's Edge Cutlery sticker, a River's Edge Cutlery card, and a little bottle opener. And a box. Guys, I have been really interested in this knife for quite a long time. This is a McNees Mac 2 3.5 atomic shockwave. My first McNees. I've handled these knives. They're made right here in the great state of Alabama. Comes with a couple of stickers. And this is the atomic titanium stonewashed with the atomic pattern, or shockwave pattern, I'm sorry. I think it's shockwave. Let's see what it says on my box. Shockwave, atomic shockwave, there we go. So this is the McNees 2 3.5 that everybody talks about, that I have not had the chance to experience yet, except for hanging on to other people's. But guys, what a wonderful feeling knife. This is a thicker grind. This one's in MAGNACUT. Drop shut action. Reverse flick's money. Thumb flick is money. Fits my grip and my hand like a champ. Again, this is not a review, just an unboxing. So I will do a full review on this. Wow, yeah, these came into stock, and I just did not expect them. I'm going to be going to the Nashville Custom Knife Show on the 17th of November, and McNees is not going to be there. Look at that plunge and that sharpening choil, done very well. I love this clip, the way it goes in and out of pocket. And I've seen flashier clips than you can get for this guy. But guys, said Stevie loves this knife, which made me know it was going to be a great knife. And then my buddy A to Z EDC picked one up a while ago, fell in love with it. I saw these become available, and they weren't available for long, but I did grab one and am absolutely stoked to finally have one in my collection. So let's give it a quick paper cut test, and then we will wrap her up. Very, very slicey, guys. Much slicier than I expected. The factory edge is on point. drop shut action, perfectly centered, very simple construction where you've got a couple of ball bearing bush or bearings. You've got the MAGNACUT blade, the titanium handles, just a very understated, elegant knife, made and designed by Tim McNees down in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, or around Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And I am just stoked, stoked, stoked to finally have this in my collection. Get a real quick size comparison to, it's going to be much smaller than the Wii Fortis. And let's look at it next to, it's going to be smaller than the Hinder Eclipse 3.5. So for me, guys, that's just absolutely perfect. It is going to be kind of a medium-sized knife in my hand, which is just perfect. Fits my hand like a glove, guys. Nice jimping, nice contouring, great access to the liner lock, effortless reverse flick. Guys, that is the McNees PM MAC2 3.5 and atomic shockwave. And I am stoked to have it. Guys, thank you for watching the unboxing. Thank you for joining me on this today. I will have a full review after I carry this for a while. Come back and share it with you. All I ask is that you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. And please choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.